In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix on Instagram no music found or it's not showing all songs. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, this works exactly the same on Android, Samsung, or iPhone. So let's say I was going to go ahead and post something, so I'm just going to take a random picture right now. I go to audio, but not all songs are showing compared to previously. So this is because you basically might be on a business account or a creator account. And if you are, you have to switch back to a personal account because creator accounts or business accounts, they won't show all music because certain music won't be licensed unless you're on a personal account. So what you want to do is go click on the bottom right to your profile. As you can see, I'm on a professional account right now. On the top right, you're going to see those three little lines. So just go ahead and click on those. Then what you want to do is scroll down. You're going to see your insights and tools. Go ahead and click on creator tools and controls. Towards the bottom, you're going to see switch account type. Go ahead and click on that. Then all you want to go ahead and do is switch to a personal account. Then just press switch to personal account again. And that's it. You're automatically going to be switched. From this point, you might actually just be frozen. So what you want to do is swipe out of Instagram, open it again, and then you're going to be on a normal account. And then you're going to see all your music whenever you go and try and post something. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.